Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use tracing to learn how to draw body or body postures or different body positions. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just jump right in. Also, this video is for somebody who's learning by themselves and not really going to the college, or if you are in the college you still want to learn some easy techniques to draw body, then this video is going to be for you. I also already have a video where I teach you guys how to trace to learn how to draw face. I will link it down in the description as well. So yeah, so the first thing you want to do is you want to make a list. Now you want to make a list of the things you usually draw when you are drawing a body, because your style might be different. You might like to draw stylized bodies where the torso is kind of bigger or the legs are longer or stuff like that, which is not really proportionate or not really similar to human body in general. Then you might want to have a list ready with you. For example, you want the torso to be longer, legs to be short and stuff like that. And yeah, I'll tell you why you should do that. So for me, I just like to draw hourglass body if I'm drawing a female, and for this video I'm going to be showing you on a female body only. And I just like to draw normal human proportions, so I don't really have a list as such with me. So that's one thing, so I'm just going to clear it out. So just build a list first and then just move ahead with me. Now, as usual, okay, before we begin, I have this template downloaded from Pinterest. I will give you guys a link down in the description and also the name of the artist. Okay, so yeah, as usual, I just forgot that I wasn't really recording and I just missed this part. I was just speaking and then I realized I wasn't really recording. So it happens every time. So basically what you want to do is you want to have a template ready with you. So if you are drawing a male figure, a male body, download a template from the internet which is similar to this one, which doesn't have any color or anything of that sort, which is kind of neutral. Download that template, place it right here, and then once you have that, what you want to do is you want to divide the body into parts. Now the body underneath that we have downloaded from the internet, it is working as guides for us, right? So yeah, you might not need this every time you draw a body. I would not suggest doing this every time. Just keep a template ready with you based on your own art style. I hope this is making sense. So what I have done here is, first I've obviously divided the whole thing into two. Then I have divided the torso part like this. Also, this denotes the shoulder for the body. So if you are looking for wide shoulders, you can just go like this. Or if you're looking for not so wide shoulders, I was looking for a word, then you can just go like this. Even though this looks so off, this will look like I don't know what. So then obviously this is the waist, and then you have to divide the legs also into two parts like this, and this will denote the knees. And this little area right here will denote the calves, and again the ankle part and the legs. And then we have the arms, also divide those into two. Here is the elbow and wrist. So that's how you want to divide the whole body. You can just add little lines for the wrist as well, or for the ankle as well if you want to. And I actually learned how to draw body with actual proportions when I was studying fashion merchandising, but that technique was so boring that I didn't want to do that, because you literally have to memorize the measurements when you are drawing a body, and which is kind of annoying for me, so I didn't do that. So yeah, once you have that, and obviously the neck and the head. Now once you have that, now what you can do is you can download different body positions, postures from the internet, or this neutral really basic templates from the internet, and then you can just go ahead and based on your own art style you can just create a structure like this, and then you can literally create your own sheet. And once you have that sheet, whenever you are drawing something, you can just pick these little templates up from there and start drawing those template, and this will help you a lot. I know this is a bit of cheating, but it's fine. It's fine. We're still learning. We're not really literally copying other stuff, right? So now once you have this, let's just suppose you have all of the templates ready with you. Now you want to draw the body. Now what you want to do is obviously just decrease the opacity of this little template. And you can also, if you are into digital art and you only do digital art, then you can just save the whole sheet with you, and whenever you are drawing the body, you can just literally place this little template right here and then start drawing over it. That's how simple it is, and it just makes the whole process so easy. And yeah, you're still just drawing the body on your own, right? So I'm just gonna create a new layer again. So as I wanted hourglass body, so I'm just gonna first draw, oh my god, this brush is not working for me, so I'm just gonna draw a little C kind of structure right here because I wanted hourglass body. Then I'm just gonna start drawing over the ties like this. It becomes easy after this, after you have created your own little template. Knees, these are knees, and this shouldn't be really perfect at this point because once you start coloring and stuff, they'll just get better and better. I'm just gonna speed through the process. Now as you guys can see, the base is ready and it is looking quite nice. So yeah, that's how you can practice drawing bodies with the help of tracing. So you can also just go ahead and just memorize those proportions and do the exact same thing. It's no different than this. Now you can use this template right here for any body posture. You just have to remember that you have to divide the whole body into parts. The first part will be the torso, legs will be into 2 parts, arms would be into 2 parts as well, or maybe 3 I should say, similar for the legs as well, and obviously the head and the neck. So you just have to remember these parts, that you have to divide the posture, the body posture, into these parts, and from there then you can just create this little really easy basic template, and then you can just go ahead and create the whole body. As you guys can see, the body is looking amazing, exactly how I wanted. I'd change the thighs a bit, I'll just make them thicker a bit, but for now I think it is looking absolutely fine. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and found the technique helpful, and you can also use these techniques on paper or for traditional art. You just download and print the body shape and then keep a tracing paper with you and draw your templates over there. That's how you can keep your own sheet of body postures or templates, body templates. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram, and if you do create something out of my videos, tag me on Instagram. I love checking your artworks out. Other than that, I will see you guys in the next video.